guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In the last video, I finished painting the new studio and added some white sheer curtains to start off this makeover series. And in this video, I will be sorting out all of the furniture that I want to keep in this room. This is what the studio is looking like. I brought some plants upstairs, some extra ones that I had. This is the furniture situation. I have this little storage unit that was like, I used to use this when I was a kid and I don't know what's in there, and I have this one as well and it has a lot of stuff in it, so I need to figure that out first, but I'm thinking of using these in my studio. Okay, this storage unit was something that I used as a kid to store all of my school supplies and school books, and as soon as I saw it, I knew that I wanted that to be in my art studio because it is a great storage unit. I can store all of my art supplies in there, but I wanted to do a quick furniture flip because it was full of cartoon stickers and stuff like that, and I just did not like the look of it to go in my art studio. So before I start with the furniture flip, I had to empty it out, and there were so many things in there that it took me almost a whole day just to go through all of that stuff. I'm just gonna take out everything that's inside.
A few moments later.
Turns out there is a lot more stuff here than I imagined. As you can see, there's just so much stuff, and this bucket is full of stuff that I don't need, and there's more stuff behind me. And then there's just a lot of like sentimental stuff in here, along with stuff that you don't need. Like in here you can see these are all of my recharge cards from my phone. I used to save them and I still have them, and my mom even wrote the total 26,450. I don't want it in there anymore, or I just don't want it this disorganized. So I got this box. I always keep all of my stationery pal boxes, so I'm gonna put all of the sentimental stuff in here so that it's all in one place and it will look organized in there.
Day 2.
So everything inside the storage unit was sorted now, and I had to decide what to do with it for the furniture flip. So originally I had planned to kind of sand everything down and repaint the whole unit, but then I realized I did not have the proper supplies to do that, and there was no way I was going to sand everything down by hand because that's a lot of work and I was not prepared to do that. So instead I decided to go with some wallpaper. Now this wallpaper is something that I have had for quite a while, and I have used this in a lot of DIYs in the past as well, and it's just this really beautiful textured creamy white color, and it has this really nice textured, I think it's a floral print on it, and I thought that it would be perfect for the unit. It kind of has a vintage vibe to it, which I really liked. Let's get started with the quick or very long process of flipping this old storage unit. The first thing that we're going to do is remove all of the handles and all of the drawers as well.
A few inches later.
I had a hard time getting off that one screw. I don't know why there's only one screw in that door, and in this door there's like 3 in both the hinges. This is what it's looking like. I still need to make the line straight, but I just wanted to see how it would look. I mean, I don't think it looks bad, but I don't think it looks great either. So let's just continue. I think it's better than before, but let's see how it goes. I am done for today. By done, I mean completely done. I'm so tired. I still need to clean up because everything is a mess. I know that this video kind of turned into a furniture flip video instead of a vlog, but it took me like 3 days to complete this whole thing. So this is how it turned out. I'm not sure about keeping it here, but this is it for now. In the next vlog of this series, I will be moving all of the furniture around to see what layout I like, and then it's all about decorating the place, which is my favorite part of doing a makeover series. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because there are more videos in this series coming out very soon. And if you enjoyed this one, make sure to leave a like in the video, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye.